What do you think patience is? I think patience means staying calm when things take time. People need to be patient when they wait for something or learn something new. Patience is important because it helps us not get angry easily. I try to be patient, but sometimes I still feel nervous. I think I'm learning to be better.
What do you think patience is?
It means staying calm when things take time.
When do people need to be patient?
When they wait or learn something new.
Patience important.
Because it helps us not get angry easily.
Are you a patient person?
I try to be patient.
How do you feel sometimes?
I still feel nervous.
What are you learning to do?
I'm learning to be more patient.